How to fix C drive is full problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you're seeing that your C drive is red and it's running out of space, here's how to fix this issue. First, you will need to open up the Start menu and then search for Disk Cleanup, and then click on the first result, and then choose your drive. So for example, the C drive, and wait for this to launch. Now, once it opens up, you can click on Cleanup System Files, and then choose C again, the same drive, and wait for it to launch the window again. And once it's open in here, make sure to basically select everything, and this will clean up Windows updates, which are files from Windows updates that are no longer used, and downloaded program files, cache files, temporary files, and everything that is no longer needed. And as you can see at the bottom here, the total amount of disk space you gain. So for me, it's about 57 or 58 gigs of space, which is a lot of space. And then you can basically hit the OK button and then click on delete files and wait for this process to clean up all the files and free up the space. Next, you can open up the Start menu and then right click on the Start button actually, and then open up Apps and Features or Installed Apps for Windows 11, and then go through this list and basically uninstall any application that you no longer need or use. So for example, video games that might be taking lots of space, and heavy applications that you no longer use. You can basically scroll and uninstall one by one the applications that you don't use anymore by clicking on the uninstall button. And once you're done going through this list, you should be saving at least 100 gigs of space. You have lots of applications or games installed on your system. And once you go back to this PC, you should be able to see that the red warning or the running out of space message is gone. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.